Jason was a curious and energetic young boy, always eager to jump into new adventures. One sunny morning, while playing at the park, Jason saw a long line of children waiting for the slide. Feeling impatient, he tried to cut in line, but his friend Mia stopped him. "Remember, Jason, patience is important," she said. Reluctantly, Jason went to the back of the line. When his turn finally came, the exhilaration of the slide felt even more rewarding because he had waited his turn. Later that day, Jason went home to practice his piano. He had been struggling with a challenging piece for weeks. Frustration crept in as he stumbled over the notes, but his mother reminded him, "Great things take time. Be patient with yourself." Jason took a deep breath and decided to practice a little every day. Slowly but surely, the notes began to flow, and he eventually mastered the piece. His hard work and patience paid off during his school's music recital, where he played flawlessly to thunderous applause. One evening, Jason sat at the dining table, engrossed in a complex jigsaw puzzle. As the hours ticked by, he grew weary and discouraged. Thoughts of giving up danced in his mind, but his father sat beside him, offering encouragement. "Sometimes, you need to take it one piece at a time," he advised. Inspired, Jason tackled the puzzle with renewed determination, fitting each piece with care. When he finally placed the last piece, a beautiful image revealed itself, filling him with a deep sense of accomplishment. That night, as Jason lay in bed reflecting on his day, he realized the true value of patience. Whether it was waiting for his turn, practicing a skill, or solving a problem, patience transformed his experiences. It made every success sweeter and every challenge more manageable. From that day on, Jason embraced patience as a friend, knowing that all good things come to those who wait.